Good day, folks. My name is Edward Mann. I'm a locksmith. I own a company called Fast Eddie's Keys Express right here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So when you call up to get an estimate for a residential and commercial locksmithing, we offer free on-site estimates. That means we're willing to come out free of charge, look at your home or business, and give you a free estimate, no commitment necessary, and then you decide on whether or not you would like your services done by us or maybe by another locksmith. But at least you're educated on what needs to be done. The problem in a lot of cases, customers will call up thinking they need certain things done with their home or business, with their locks, and they're incorrect about what's really needed. So they end up with a false estimate over the phone. In many cases, the customer is incorrect on what they need done. It may be a broken part. Maybe the lock doesn't need to be completely replaced. It all depends on the situation. But it's always best to have an educated locksmith look at the locks and give you the right answers. And we offer that free service here at Fast Eddie's Keys Express. Some consider it a free security survey where we go through your home or business and tell you everything that's wrong with it, what it would cost, and what our availability is also. In a lot of cases, we're able to do the job right there on the site. Now, this doesn't apply to automotive locksmithing because usually most people understand what they need. If they're locked out, that's simple. If they lost their keys or key fob, that's simple also. We can answer that question right on the phone with a free estimate on the phone. Ignition lock cylinders, same thing. Usually a customer knows when their ignition lock is broken. But with a home and business, it's completely different. So give us a call in Minneapolis at Fast Eddie's Keys Express, and we'll come out today and give you a free estimate and be able to assist you that way. So thank you. You guys have a good week. And it was good talking to you. Bye-bye.